Imagine a farm where crops tell you exactly what they need. Machines drive themselves day and night, and every drop of water, seed, and fertilizer is used with near-perfect precision. This is not the future we are waiting for. This is farming in 2026. And the technologies transforming agriculture right now are reshaping how the world grows its food. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the top 10 agriculture technologies that are changing farming in 2026. These innovations are not just impressive on paper, they are actively increasing yields, reducing costs, protecting farmers, and making agriculture smarter, safer, and more sustainable across the globe. When we talk about the exterior side of modern agricultural technology, the first thing that stands out is how futuristic today's farms look. Autonomous tractors, robotic harvesters, and smart drones have completely changed the visual landscape of agriculture. Fields are now filled with sleek, sensor-covered machines designed with aerodynamics, durability, and efficiency in mind. Drones with lightweight carbon fiber frames glide above crops, scanning fields with multispectral cameras. Tractors and combines feature modular exteriors that house LiDAR sensors, GPS antennas, radar systems, and weather-resistant cameras. Even irrigation systems have evolved, with smart pivots and drip lines equipped with visible control units and solar panels that power their operations. The farm of 2026 looks less like traditional agriculture and more like a high-tech outdoor factory driven by data and automation. Inside these technologies, the interior experience has become surprisingly simple and user-friendly, even though the systems behind them are extremely advanced. Tractor cabins now resemble aircraft cockpits, with large touchscreens, digital dashboards, and AI-powered control panels that give real-time updates on soil conditions, fuel efficiency, crop health, and machine performance. Many autonomous machines don't even require a driver, but when human control is needed, the interiors are climate-controlled and designed for long hours of comfort. For drones, robots, and smart equipment, the interior exists in software form, through mobile apps and cloud dashboards where farmers can monitor operations, adjust settings, and analyze data with just a few taps. Despite the complexity of the technology, the user interface remains short, clean, and intuitive, allowing farmers to focus on decisions rather than technical complications. Performance is where these technologies truly prove their value. Artificial intelligence and machine learning now analyze massive amounts of farm data in real time, helping farmers make faster and more accurate decisions. Precision agriculture systems use satellite imagery and soil sensors to apply fertilizers and pesticides only where they are needed, significantly boosting yields while reducing waste. Autonomous tractors operate with centimeter-level accuracy, working day and night without fatigue, increasing productivity during critical planting and harvesting windows. Robotic harvesters can identify ripe produce, pick it gently, and sort it instantly, reducing labor shortages and post-harvest losses. Smart irrigation systems adjust water delivery based on soil moisture, crop growth stage, and weather forecasts, cutting water usage by up to 50% while improving crop health. Overall, farm performance in 2026 is defined by efficiency, consistency, and data-driven precision rather than guesswork. Safety features have also reached an entirely new level across modern agricultural technologies. Autonomous machinery is equipped with obstacle detection systems using radar, cameras, and LiDAR to prevent collisions with people, animals, or other equipment. Geofencing technology ensures machines stay within designated boundaries, automatically stopping if they detect unusual movement or unauthorized access. Drones are programmed with fail-safe return systems and weather monitoring to avoid crashes. Smart livestock monitoring systems track animal health and behavior, alerting farmers early to diseases or injuries, reducing risks for both animals and workers. Even chemical application technologies now include automatic shutoff features and precise targeting to minimize human exposure and environmental contamination. In 2026, safety is no longer an afterthought in agriculture. It is built directly into every layer of technology. One of the strongest unique selling points of these technologies is how seamlessly they integrate with each other. Modern farms operate as connected ecosystems rather than isolated machines. Soil sensors communicate with irrigation systems, which adjust water delivery automatically. Crop monitoring. Drones send data to AI platforms that guide autonomous tractors on where to plant, spray, or harvest. Livestock tracking collars sync with feeding systems to optimize nutrition and reduce waste. Blockchain technology ensures transparency in the supply chain, allowing consumers to trace food, from farm to table. This level of integration not only saves time, but also creates a powerful feedback loop where every action improves the next decision. The farm essentially becomes a self-learning system that gets smarter with every season. Another major unique selling point is sustainability. Many of the top agricultural technologies in 2026 are designed specifically to reduce environmental impact. Vertical farming systems use controlled environments and LED lighting to grow crops year-round with minimal land and water usage. Bioengineering and gene-edited crops offer higher resistance to pests and climate stress, reducing the need for chemicals. Renewable energy solutions such as solar-powered irrigation and biogas systems convert farm waste into usable energy. Carbon tracking platforms help farmers measure and reduce their carbon footprint while opening doors to carbon credit markets. These technologies allow farmers to be productive while also being environmentally responsible, a balance that is increasingly important in modern agriculture. When it comes to pricing, agricultural technology in 2026 offers a wide range of options depending on scale and application. Entry-level smart sensors and farm management software subscriptions are now relatively affordable, making them accessible to small and medium-sized farms. Drones for crop monitoring and spraying come in different tiers, from basic models costing a few $1,000s to advanced autonomous systems priced much higher. Autonomous tractors and robotic harvesters represent a larger investment, often ranging from tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars, but they offer long-term savings by reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency. Many companies now provide flexible pricing models, including leasing, pay-per-use, and service-based subscriptions, making advanced technology more accessible than ever before. Government incentives and sustainability grants also help offset costs for farmers adopting smart and eco-friendly solutions. Another technology transforming farming in 2026 is digital twins for agriculture. These systems create virtual replicas of farms, allowing farmers to simulate different scenarios before making real-world decisions. From testing irrigation strategies to predicting crop yields under different weather conditions, digital twins reduce risk and improve planning. Combined with predictive analytics, they help farmers prepare for extreme weather events, market fluctuations, and disease outbreaks. This proactive approach is a powerful selling point, as it turns uncertainty into manageable data. Livestock technology has also seen dramatic advancements. Smart collars, ear tags, and vision-based monitoring systems track animal movement, feeding behavior, and health indicators around the clock. AI algorithms detect early signs of illness or stress, allowing farmers to intervene before problems escalate. Automated milking and feeding systems improve consistency and animal welfare while reducing labor demands. These innovations not only improve productivity but also align with growing consumer expectations for ethical and transparent animal farming practices. Another standout innovation is the use of robotics and AI in weed control. Instead of blanket herbicide spraying, smart robots identify weeds at the plant level and remove them mechanically or with targeted microdoses. This reduces chemical usage, protects soil health, and lowers input costs. The precision and environmental benefits make this technology highly attractive, especially as regulations around chemical use become stricter worldwide. The integration of satellite technology and real-time weather intelligence is another. High-resolution satellite imagery combined with AI helps farmers monitor large areas efficiently, identify stress zones, and plan operations with confidence. Accurate weather predictions reduce losses caused by unexpected storms, droughts, or frost. This level of insight was once limited to large corporations. But in 2026, it is available to farms of all sizes through cloud-based platforms. As we move toward the conclusion, it becomes clear that the top 10 agriculture technologies changing farming in 2026 are not just tools. They are transforming the entire mindset of agriculture. Farming is no longer driven solely by tradition and experience, but by data, automation, and intelligent systems that support farmers at every step. These technologies improve productivity, protect resources, enhance safety, and make agriculture more resilient in the face of climate and economic challenges. In conclusion, agriculture in 2026 represents a powerful blend of innovation and tradition. From autonomous machines and AI-driven analytics to sustainable energy solutions and smart livestock systems, these technologies are shaping a future where farming is more efficient, profitable, and environmentally responsible. While the investment can be significant, the long-term benefits in yield, cost savings, and sustainability make these technologies essential rather than optional. The farms that embrace these innovations today are the ones that will lead global food production tomorrow. If this is the direction agriculture is heading, one thing is certain: the future of farming has never looked smarter or more exciting.